This is a professional wireless dual microphone from Hoco. This product comes with dual microphone and receiver, which is suitable for various devices including smartphones with lighting and USB Type-C connectors. You connect it to the camera using AUX. These microphones directly record sound in a 360-degree radius up to 25 meters. Battery capacity 70 mAh, battery backup 6 hours and charging time 1.5 hours. The product's receiver received sound with minimal latency, almost zero latency. You can charge both the receiver and transmitter with Type-C. Includes a charging cable and 2 extra windproof nets. Now let's see how to connect dual mic to smartphone. Let's check its sound quality. It has an integrated noise cancellation. Moreover, due to the 2.4 GHz technology. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello. This is an ideal microphone that can record high-quality sound even in windy conditions.